Okay, so we're out here in the rain. So what we do in the rain, we set up a little pergola so we can always shoot no matter what weather. So if you want to see how we get this set up and where we get it from, here comes the video. Alright guys, if you like this, give us a big like, big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll see you after the video. Guys, just got to Bunnings with Greg, so let's go get some wood.
And our gazebo.
And a gazebo.
This is what we're looking at, something like this, with Persian carpets in it, fly screens,
all the amenities.
Wind protection. If you'd like to come inside, we've got a kitchen sink in here. We have tables and chairs.
Perfect shooting gazebo.
Yep, just shoot straight out that way. Beautiful. Let's check the price first. Young lady.
We're after a gazebo, one just a portable one that kind of just folds out.
The 3x3s.
Yeah, on 36, down your other end on the right.
Aren't they erected?
No, we don't have any on display. So what you're asking?
Yep.
Yeah, no, unfortunately not.
Unreal.
But they usually have the pictures on the box.
What's the height requirement?
Height requirement, it should say on the box.
There's a mistake on the website,
Oh, okay.
and it's got box size.
Ah, and here it is. Gazebos.
He's got a football, he's playing football.
Oh, here's an even cheaper one. No, this is the one the club's got.
3x3 market gazebo. This is your sun wall. So if it's blowing from the northwest where it usually is, you just put that on that wall. If it's blowing from the back, put it on the other wall, and that'll. So we're going to be dry and not affected by the wind.
Brilliant.
We've picked this one, the 3x3 metre market gazebo, because it's the tallest one, so we can get under there with our bows and shoot. But we also needed a wall, and we put the wall up on the side where the wind's coming in, so we're not going to get rained on, and the bows aren't going to blow around. Now we had a choice between the Coleman, as you can see there, which is a 3x3 wall, or the Oz Trail. Now the Oz Trail was guaranteed to us by Alex, the in-store manager, as the better product. But he said, if price is not an issue, get this one. So we checked the prices of both. This was $29.90. This was $29.98. So we got out the calculator to work out what that 8-cent difference was, and we've decided we're going to spend the extra 8 cents and go for the better product. Seatbelts on. See him up there? See him there?
We see him.
His legs apart, feet akimbo, waiting for us, ready to stop us and question us. Where's my wallet? There it is. He's going to want I'm going to give him all the receipts, all the errors, all the wrong receipts, all the right receipts. He's going to be here all day. Look, here he comes.
How are we today?
I'm alright, thanks. You want to open up the back and check?
Yeah, can I just jump out and open it up for us, please?
You can't.
I'm not allowed to touch a car anymore, Bunnings policy.
Really?
Yep.
It's all happening.
There's only so many rules you can impose on a community before they go berserk, you know what I'm saying?
I know.
I'm voting for Trump because...
Yep, the receipt.
Oh, you betcha. There's all your receiptage there. Got one marquee, you've got a Coleman side, you've got an arbor,
Got a decking
Holland
spotted gum.
you've got your spotted decking gum, and you've got your 3 boards of
Yeah, that's your decking one.
there's your arbor. There's a good one there. Yep, those things there.
There you go.
Is that it? You're free to leave.
Have a nice day. Over in the far off. What do you mean on the far off? Yeah, you see where the concrete wall is over there? Yeah. Just on the left hand side of that.
Our papers are in order, and we may proceed through the gate.
Alright guys, so that's how we shoot in the rain. If you liked that video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll catch us tomorrow for another day of shooting.